Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to turn on the chat features on your Gmail application. So first thing you have to do is open your Google Mail or Gmail, and right after that you just need to sign in with the account that you want to use. Now you just need to take a look on the top left corner with the straight lines icon, go click them, and now you just need to scrolling down until you found settings. Now you just need to click them. And right after that, there will be an apps in Gmail. So there will be two options, either chat or meet. Since we want to activate the chat sections, go click this chat and turn on this button. And just confirm that you want to turn on the chat sections. And now you already got the chat section. So you just need to visit this. And you just need to create the new chat. And you just need to add the username of your friends. And now you're done. So that's the way how to activate the chat sections on a Gmail application. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.